After a few days in Charleston, South Carolina, we head to St. Simon's Island, Georgia.
Hundreds of cancellations already on the books for today.
Flights canceled again at airports across the country.
Over 3,000 flights have been canceled.
Delays and cancellations have travelers scrambling on Christmas.
Private flights aren't bulletproof. They can get scrubbed due to weather and unscheduled mechanical issues. And weather in private aviation plays a really big part. And you just become fluid when planning around weather. However, canceling private flying is far less disruptive as you're informed and not idling at an airport with thousands of other travelers. Rental car is brought right to the plane, as is the fuel truck. Okay, we are here and look at our car.
Welcome to St. Simon's Island.
We hop in the car and first head to Jekyll Island. Jekyll Island was an exclusive summer retreat for the Titans back in the day. Goodyear, Roosevelt, JP Morgan, they came down to escape the winters in the Northeast. So here we are in Driftwood Beach, where there are hundreds of trees that have fallen. The ocean starts to creep up and they're all now eroded. After Jekyll Island, we return to St. Simon's. Our hotel is conveniently right beside the airport. And it's currently low tide, so you can see the water goes out really far.